looking for a sign instead of bad, which people tend to.
Here we are. We're going to get on a boat and go to the Adelaide Zoo. We're just walking down to meet the boat now.
And the bird.
And look at all those birds. Here we are boarding the Popeye cruise to go over to the zoo.
Looking for a sign instead of bad, which people tend to do. And maybe you might find and try to live the dreams in your heart. You've gotta live them dreams in your heart.
Here we are at Clubmates Travel, and we're at the St. Peter's Historic Church, and we're all going to go and have a tour inside this beautiful historic church.
Them dreams in your heart, no matter what life may bring, and above anything, you gotta live the dream in your heart. Live them dreams in your heart. Futures can be bright, you know, for what you want to do.
The Arcada restaurant in Adelaide, and we've just had a lovely meal. Did you enjoy your meal? Yes? That's nice. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes.
What did you have?
Fish and chips.
And was it nice?
Yes.
That's good. Lindsay, did you enjoy your dinner? Lindsay, yes? So it's a very nice place and some nice artwork for sale. So we're at the Himeji Gardens, the Japanese gardens, and we're going to go for a tour inside.
Walking, keep on walking every day. Believe in yourself, you know, and keep on walking. Hold on to your dreams, they'll come your way. Hold on to your dreams, you'll find your way. Now when you're driving down that road and seem uncertain now which way to go, inside your heart, my dear friends, is where you'll find.
Hello Fresh doing a cooking class and having dinner.
Your path again. Yeah, life is a journey, just keep on walking.
We've just finished our home fresh cooking, and the passengers are all eating their meal, and now they're on their dessert. Let's go have a look at these men. Pardon? I will help you in a moment. Does it look nice? Yes? Did you enjoy the cooking, Philip? And now you're enjoying the dessert. That's great. All right, I'll let you be and enjoy it. I shall help you cut it up, no problem.
Keep on walking every day. Believe in yourself, you know.
1, 2, 3, go!
Here we are on the Esplanade, and we're going to have a bacon and eggs for breakfast this Sunday morning. We're all waiting, and there's a carnival behind us, and we're going to check that out later. So we're with Clubmates Travel, and we're doing a tour of the Clipper. Well, we're having a tour guide give us a talk about the Clipper ship.
We find ourselves reaching out sometimes to another, my brother, for help in our lives. Let their hearts take you back to where you belong.
We're at the park having fish and chips at the Adelaide Kite Festival, and you can see all the kites behind us.
Love Yes, that love will carry you home.
So we're at the Palais Hotel and we're going to have dinner here. Very nice hotel.
Let the light inside you guide you through life's storms to places where faces are nice and warm. Let them.
So clubmates are shopping in the suburb of Glenelg, and we've found some passengers shopping in this store.
Are nice and warm. Let them wings lift you back up to where you belong, and let love carry you home. Know that love will carry you home. When you're feeling weary and you wanna be strong, know that love will carry you home. Yes, that love will carry you home.
And some more clubmates passengers. In Handorf, having a cup of coffee. Oops. What did you buy? Spent your money.
You will survive, and that love will carry you home.
Old Mill Hotel, and this is where we'll be having our buffet lunch today. It should be very nice.
World seems heavy and you can't go on. Know that love will carry you home. When you're sitting around playing some music, we're just sitting around, yeah. Sitting around playing some music for you, playing some music for you. Tell me the kind of music you like to hear. We'll play it soft and gentle, strum so clear. Now how is that? Do you like the sound? This is the music we're just sitting around. Oh, we're just sitting around playing some music. We're just sitting around, yeah. Sitting around playing some music for you, playing some music for you. How's that beat? How's that rhythm? I can see you tapping and can hear you singing. Do you like the music fast or slow? If you like dancing, then just give it a go. But we're just sitting around playing some music. We're just sitting around, yeah. Sitting around playing some music for you, playing some music for you. Do you like it mellow? Do you like it with some boom? Do you like that reggae feeling? Come on and sing this tune. Oh, we're just sitting around playing some music. We're just sitting around, yeah. Sitting around playing some music for you, playing some music for you, playing some music for you. Looking out my window at the swaying trees, See how they bend in the mighty breeze, but they stay firm and bend back where they belong. Blowing breeze just makes them strong. Breath of life, wind blow for me, with gentle blows strengthen me. Help me to become all I can be. Breath of life, wind blow for me. Hear how the wind howls, hear how it screams. The only thing tree sheds are dead leaves. Out of me unwanted things is also what I need to cleanse my mind so I can be free. Breath of life, wind blow for me, with gentle blows strengthen me. Help me to become all I can be. Breath of life, wind blow for me. Now things are quiet, things are still. A chance to gather, yes, a time to fill my soul with all I've learned, my friend. But what's that sound? Here comes the wind again. Breath of life, wind blow for me, with gentle blows strengthen me. Help me to become all I can be. Breath of life, wind blow for me. Help me to become all I can be. Breath of life, wind blow for me. 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 Gaze upon the moonlight, would you stay upon this journey with me? Don't try to understand, just stop and take my hand. This heartfelt, fun-filled day is meant to be. Let's go for something new, 'cause it's times for me and you. There's wondrous sights out there for us to see. Yeah, 'cause we're birds of a feather and we'll come together. We're birds of a feather, you see. Like birds of a feather, we will be forever. Birds of a feather, you and me. Birds of a feather, you and me. All the years that creep on by, all the hellos and goodbyes, all the special times that show me that you care. Yeah, all those places still to go, all the people still to know, all the precious memories you and I will share. Yeah, 'cause we're birds of a feather and we'll come together. We're birds of a feather, you see. Like birds of a feather, we will be forever. Birds of a feather, you and me. Oh, we're birds of a feather and we'll come together. We're birds of a feather, you see. Like birds of a feather, we will be forever. Birds of a feather, you and me. Oh, we're birds of a feather, life is so much better, 'cause we're birds of a feather, you and me. Just birds of a feather, you and me.